On my last Workbench Wednesday of August 21st, 2024, I unboxed this kit right here. Pine Creek Paint Company. It's by Microscale Models, and it's a pretty good kit. And let me put you down on the workbench so you can see what is involved in it. So these are the main components right here that I have to start out with, and I'm going to have to paint everything and stain the stuff. But here is the base on this side. It comes in pieces, 2 large pieces and 2 smaller pieces you put together, and these squares that sit up on top, and then the concrete block wall that goes around it, and then the decking that goes up on top of that. That's the first part where we start out. And then the main part of the building is this right here, where we have to put together all this stuff after we paint it. So this is going to be the project. A lot of detail parts, a lot of windows and doors, a lot of good stuff in here. And I opened this stuff up last night on the live stream, and I'll just show you some of the other stuff that's still in the box, because it's full of stuff. And there's the rest of the stuff in there. A lot of small pieces, 4 buildings all together with a water tank. These right here, I'm not sure what you fill in those holes with, but we'll figure that out once we get there. A lot of good things, and like I said, 4 buildings all together, and it's going to be fun assembling this thing. So in the next couple of weeks, look for my progress on this kit right here, because it's going to be amazing. This is the first one I've done by Microscale Models, and from what it looks like, it's a lot different than bar mill scale model work stuff, and I'm gonna have fun with this. So keep watching and see what this thing eventually looks like when I have it up here on my layout. I'm going to show you the instruction books. Here is the top view. Let's get it out here where we could see it. And you can see all the buildings, the water tank, and the loading docks on there. And you get a nice big instruction booklet, 16 pages altogether. And let me just show you some of the pages on here, like this one here, and this one here. Okay, so this is what we got to look forward to in the next couple of weeks. This is going to be fun putting together. It's got a lot of detail on the buildings, as you can see right here. All the smokestacks, the roof, 3 stories. So this is going to be a fun kit to put together. We're going to go over to the workbench. I'm going to put on some music here, some blues, and we're going to open up the Pine Creek Paint Company. Okay, before I get to that, I'm going to show you it over here. What's this one? Right there. Microscale Models, Craftsman Structures. This gives you some more photos of it right here. And if you put your cursor on it, it makes it bigger. And here's another view of it here. It's actually 4 buildings. I think vehicle not in included, and people not included too, but I've seen there's a lot of details in there. 4 buildings, a big tank, all kind of good stuff, and all kind of good detail parts in there. You even got to put your pallets together, and those crates there, you got to assemble those too. that'll be quite a feat. So it's retails at $295 and well worth it. I got it for about 150 from Al Puglisi. He got a good deal from the owner, but he was working on some other stuff. Let's see what it says about it. Cast-based water tank roofs, stone building, chimney, and dozens of detailed parts, laser cut walls, floors, ceiling, block building, and chimney, laser cut rafter tails, trim rafters, overhang supports, blah blah blah. All buildings have interior floors and roof support system, laser cut foundation, base and open platform, microscale roll roof kit, and laser cut roofing includes special directions and 3M double face tape. Oh boy. Lots of detailed parts include a laser cut cardboard boxes, laser cut wall signs and color wall signs with special directions, Tichy group windows and doors, a lot of them, turnbuckles, doors, hinges, details, and wall lamps, electric power service kit. Oh boy. Easy to follow, fully illustrated color directions, made in the USA, overall size 7 by 11 inches. So that's going to be a fun kit to build. And let's get over on the workbench and open up that box and let's see what's going on. Make sure you tune into Workbench Wednesday on Rumble and YouTube to get the progress on this kit. I'll also be posting videos on this kit in between those Workbench Wednesdays. So until the next time, we'll see ya and have fun with whatever you're doing, and especially those structure kits.